Good morning. This is Shepherd Mapin again from Namibia. So this is lesson 2 as part of the STEAMpedia Python Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Bootcamp. So basically in this lesson 2, we're covering game development. So in game development, basically the objective of the game was for us to move the Beetle through the maze to get to our finish line, which is a red apple. So basically, if the Beetle touches the black lines, the game restarts again. But then if the Beetle touches the red apple, the player would have won the game. So from our code, we have our sprite, which is the Beetle, and then we also have our background. So basically after that, we create a loop while true. We set our condition to say if sprite is key pressed, move up. We set our direction to 0, then you move 5 steps forward. So we created the same conditions for 4 directions, which is up, which is up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and left arrow. So basically on the up arrow we used 0 degrees, on the down arrow 180, on the left arrow minus 90, on the right arrow 90. We all were moving in steps of 5. Afterwards, we set a condition if sprite is touching color, and our color, we have our RGB. 255 represents our red, the rest are green and blue are 0. The sprite will say game over for 2 seconds and then break the loop. But there is one condition, there is one that was set about the direction, that our direction is 0, our sprite size is 50, and whenever we go to the x and y coordinate, we set it as minus 50, minus 150, so that each and every time when the game is 1, it goes back to its initial position. So right now, I'll just give a brief demonstration of the code. So we'll basically move our Beetle So as you can see, for here the game was 1. So now I'll just demonstrate when the Beetle actually touches the black line. So whenever it touches a black line, it goes back to its initial condition. This is actually was very intuitive lesson that we covered today on game development. I very much appreciate the knowledge that I got and hope this will actually improve my skills when it comes to that aspect. Thank you.